Hello students, let us discuss some numericals on reflection in this particular video. So let us start. This is question number 1. The question is, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. Okay. So here you have to remember this is a convex mirror and the focal length is 15 centimeter. Find the position of the image and nature of the image. Position of the image means we have to calculate or find out V, and nature of the image. Nature of the image already you must be knowing from the convex mirror. What it will be? It will be always virtual and erect. But still we have to find it out, right? So let us see in this question, first you have to see that the object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. That means U is been given and U is always minus. So it is minus 10 centimeter. Focal length in the convex in the convex mirror, the focal length small f is always positive, right? So you have to mention that as well here. Here U equal to minus 10 and f equal to 15 centimeter. Now you have to find out the position of the image. That means the image distance, that is V. Clear? Now you have to just put the formula 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Now let us put the values. 1 by V we have to calculate. For U we have to put the value that is minus 10 and F is 15. After calculating you will get the value 6 centimeter. The calculation you do it first. After that just check it out whether you have got 6 centimeter or not. Now here the point you need to note down is the V value is positive. Positive means what? It is a virtual erect image. Okay. Now we have to just find, we also know that in convex mirror the image is always diminished. That means what? It is smaller than the size of the object. So what you have to write for the position of the image, we have to write the position here. Just check it out, the first answer. The position of the image is between pole and focus at a distance of 6 centimeter from the pole. This part even if you are not writing then also it's okay, but you have to write that 6 centimeter behind the mirror. Okay, because it's a convex mirror, the image will be formed on this side. Okay, on this side. So that is the reason we have to write 6 centimeter behind the mirror. I hope you are clear with this. Let us move to the next question. Question number 2. Again it is a question of convex mirror, right? So you have to just remember that a convex mirror used for rear view of an automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter. Radius of curvature 3 meter means what? Your R is 3 meter. Now if the bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. Okay, it is radius of curvature. So at point C it has to be R. Just remember it has to be R, right? First of all just see, it is the bus is located at 5 meter from the mirror. So it's a convex mirror. So from the principal axis, because this side is non-reflecting surface and this point is your reflecting surface, so object is here in front of it, right? The bus is located, this distance is 5 meter from the mirror. Now you have to find it out first, the position, nature and then size. So we already know about the nature and size, isn't it? Nature is what? Nature is virtual, erect, and size is always diminished, as I told already in question number 1. So in case of convex mirror, that you have to remember, but still we have to find it out from the numerical. So first of all, the bus is located means the object is at 5 meter. Object means small u you have to write, that is minus 5, which is always negative, that you know u value will be always in negative. Okay, because the object has to be there in front of the reflecting surface, so it will be negative because it is opposite to the direction of what? Ray of light. If ray of light is on this direction from left to right. So we have to calculate from pole side, from here, from pole we have to calculate. So that is the reason we take it as negative. I hope you are clear here. Now we have to find out the focal length. See, this focal length is what? F equal to R by 2. So it is 3 by 2 and the value will be 1.5. Okay. Now use the mirror formula. Again, 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. Now substitute all the value, you will get the value as V equals to 1.15. Now this calculation you have to do, children. Do it and just check it out whether you are getting the same value or not. Now just see on the right hand side, this side, the first answer, that is the position. Position is what? The position of the image is between pole and focus at a distance of 1.5 and from the pole. From the pole means it is again a convex mirror. The image is always behind the mirror. You can also write this as 1.5 meter behind the mirror. The image is formed 1.15 meter behind the mirror. That answer will also be correct. Okay. And if you can find it out, this one, because it is a clear-cut indication, convex mirror has two positions only. So that two cases you have to remember where the image can be formed. If it is a parallel images, rays are coming, then it will be at the focus. Otherwise, it will be in between pole and focus. So it is a clear-cut indication. In this case, nothing to be worried about. How do we remember for other question and all? Because it is a convex mirror, it is quite easy to find it out the position. Okay. Now the second already we have discussed, because V is positive. So because it is positive value, if V's value we are getting in positive, then it is always virtual, erect, diminished, right? So I hope this question is also clear to you all. Now let us move to the next question, question number 3. It is saying a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified or enlarged real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Okay, where is the image located? Now you have to find out V only here, right? We have to find out V. So the what are the given data? It is saying that it is a concave mirror now. Okay, it produces 3 times magnified real image. Image is it is magnification it has given. Okay, M ka value is given, that is -3. Okay, M is -3 here. Then object distance is given. Object distance is always in negative. So we have to write U equal to -10 centimeter. It is now we have to find out the V. Okay, V we have to find out. We know that there is a magnification formula, M equal to -B by U. Now just put the value, substitute all the values that we have in the given data. V equals to -U into M. So now substitute the value here. You will get, already we have minus and U value is -10. Magnification value also -3. Minus it will be plus, and extra one minus is there. So -30. Now here you can see that the value of V is minus. Okay, in negative. So here, as I told you, if it is plus, then it will be virtual, erect. But now it is a negative value. Negative value means what? It is in front of the mirror, because it is going to, nature is not asked about the nature. It is the question is not asking. So here just we have to write 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. This is only the answer. But for your understanding, let me tell you, the image, nature of the image will be what? It will be real and inverted. Correct? I hope this question is also clear to you all. Now let us move to the next question, that is question number 4. An object of size 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Okay, a focal length 18 centimeter. At what distance from mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp image is formed on it? Find the size and nature of the image. Okay, it is again asking about the image distance, that is B, and as we already know that it is going to ask, we have to also mention the size and nature of the image. Okay, here let us begin then. The object distance is how much? It is U. isn't it? Object distance is u. That is 27 it is given. So 27 we have to mention minus 27 centimeter. Focal length is here, it is given 18 centimeter. We have to take it negative because it is what? It is a concave mirror. Concave mirror, we have to write the focal length in negative. Okay, so focal length of a concave mirror is always taken negatively. Here just see this, the object size it is given. So HO is been given as 7 centimeter. Now let us just put these values in the mirror formula. Mirror formula first you have to write. Now because we have to find out V, so here this is the formula. Okay, just original formula also you can write. You will get this formula and accordingly you can answer, put the values and get the answer as minus 54. Okay, now because it is minus, so it is again a real and inverted one. First of all, you accept one case. In concave mirror, all the images are real and inverted, you know. But you need to find it out whether it is a virtual case or it is a real case. I mean the image is real. So from this, from your answer only you will get it. The screen must be placed. How to answer the first one, this answer? The screen must be placed at a distance of 54 centimeter from the mirror in front of it. So because it is a minus, so it must be in the front side of the mirror. Okay. So again we have to find out the size and nature. So size means what? HI we have to find it out. HI formula we know. Magnification has two formula. One is minus B by U, another one is HI by HO. So just we need to equalize both of them and then put the values. When you will put the value, you will find as it is minus 14 centimeter. Okay, if minus 14 centimeter we got it, thus the image of 14 centimeter length and is real inverted and magnified image. This is all the solution you have done in this box. It has been done, but finally again we have to write what is the nature. This question has been asked. This nature is what? The nature of the image is real, inverted and enlarged in size. Size already we have find out the values here. One is minus 14, another one is 7. So minus 14, the notation is just for showing that it is what? It is inverted one, but the size if you will see, it is the bigger size, isn't it? Almost double. So we have written enlarged over here. Then it is in the second part it has been written what is the size of it. Okay, size is what? The height of the image is 14 centimeter. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay, so let us move to the next question. Question number 5. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. Okay, now it is the object distance, that is u, from a converging mirror. Now here if it is written converging mirror, that means which mirror? It is a concave mirror, right? So concave mirror whose focal length is 5 centimeter. If it is 5 centimeter, so here we got u. U is how much? It is always minus 10. And then what it is saying? It is focal length it is asking. Focal length is minus, again minus because it is a converging mirror, so minus 5 centimeter. Okay. So now just this value, you have to put the values here. Just put it and solve the value of V, you will get as 10 centimeter. Now the question have asked, find the nature and position of the image. Okay. Nature is what? Now V is negative means what? It will be real and inverted one. And the size here, size is because it is asking about whether what type of size it is, because V is minus 10 and the object distance is what? 10, and it is real and inverted. So it is the only case where you get the same, I mean in the same position and real image. In case of concave mirror is at the center of curvature. Okay, the position is at the center of curvature. I hope it is clear to you, because here u is the distance has been 10 centimeter and we got the image distance also 10 centimeter. That means you must be remembering it is the case of when object is placed at C. Right. So the image position is also 10 centimeter away from the pole that is in front of the mirror. It is in front of the mirror, right? So that is how we solve the solutions, and one by one we make the solution, and one by one we need to write whatever is the question asked in this. Okay, so I hope this one is also clear to you all. Let us move on to the next question, that is question number 6. An object is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a diverging mirror of focal length 6 centimeter. Find the nature and position of the image. Children, in the previous question we were discussing about the converging, and this here it is the diverging mirror. So it is clear cut indication that it is a what? Convex mirror, right? So here it is asking about the it is I mean given data is about the distance of whom? It is the object distance. So u is minus 15, as minus again I am saying it is always in the minus you have to take. So u is minus 15 centimeter. Focal length f is what? 6 centimeter. Why? Because it's a diverging mirror. Focal length is negative in case of concave mirror, okay, not in convex. Convex we have to take positive. Very simple. Now this is the mirror formula. Put the values, and ultimately the V's value you are going to get in positive, that is your 4.28 centimeter. Just calculate it, find it out the answer, and then we have to write the whatever is asked, that answer we have to write. First of all, nature and position of the image it is asked. So let us write the position. The position of the image is between pole and focus. Again this part I am saying you can mention just in front or after, I mean behind the mirror. So here you can write 4.28 centimeter. What? It is a diverging mirror, so it is always behind the mirror. So 4.28 centimeter behind the mirror. Again you can see that because it is a convex mirror, you already know the image, nature of the image will be what? It will be virtual, erect, right, and diminished one. But again you can find it out from here, from base value, that is positive. It is positive, so hence also we from that we can conclude that the image is virtual, erect and diminished one. I hope this is also clear to you all. Let us move on to the next question, that is question number 7. Okay, question number 7 says a concave mirror has focal length of 20 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror of 5 centimeter tall object we place so that it forms an image at 15 centimeter from the mirror? Also calculate the size of the image formed. Okay, first of all we have to clear from this particular question, it is a concave mirror. It is given, the focal length is been given, concave mirror focal length given means it is minus 20 as we have written over here. Now it is asking about that at what distance from the mirror of 5 centimeter tall object be placed so that it forms an image of 15 centimeter. Okay, so distance, at what distance from the mirror? The object distance we have to calculate. We have to calculate here u. Okay, so it is asking about that it forms an image at 15 centimeter from the mirror. Here v is been given. Image kahan pe bana hai? Image is from the mirror. Image is at 15 centimeter distance. Okay, because it is a concave mirror and it is saying forms an image at 15 centimeter, because it is not focal length is already given 20 centimeter, image is formed 15 centimeter. So there is no such cases where you can get this particular condition. I hope this is clear, because for the case of virtual, the image object position need to be where? In between the pole and focus. So this is, the focal length is only 20 centimeter. So here we have to take b equal to plus 15 centimeter. Okay, plus 15 centimeter. Height equal to, this is what? It is the object. Okay, this is HO. I hope it is clear. HO is 5 centimeter. Now just let us first find out of these two values we can get the u value, that is your minus 8.5. Just calculate it by putting the values over here, whatever is given, and you will get minus 8.5 centimeter. If it is minus, that means what? It is a real and inverted I mean, sorry, it is in front of the mirror. Object is always in front of it. So minus sign is quite obvious over here. So the object should be placed between the pole and focus at a distance of what? 8.5 centimeter away from the pole. Okay, so here just see the object we got, because the focal length is 20 centimeter, the distance we got, object distance is 8.5. From that value we come to know that the object is in between pole and focus. So and now we can find the value what it is asking for the size. So first m magnification we have to calculate, because we know the value of v and u only right now. So what we can do here, just substitute the value. You got the value of m. One more value is, one more formula is what, hi by ho. Now that means m equal to 1.75, and just put the value of ho, which is 5 centimeter here it is given, and after substituting you will get 8.8. The size of the image will be 8.8 centimeter. I hope this one is also clear to you all. Let us move on to the next question, that is question number 8. An object 2 meter tall is placed at 10 centimeter from a diverging mirror of focal length 6 centimeter. Find the size, nature and position of the image. Okay, this is also quite clear. You have done so many questions based on this particular data. If it has been given, only change is here is that it is a diverging mirror, isn't it? It is a diverging mirror. That means it is the case of convex mirror, right? So an object is 2 meter tall is placed at 10 centimeter. Okay, so h object ho, it is the ho is 2 meter, it has been given. It should be centimeter, so you just change this, it should be centimeter. So 2 centimeter, u is minus 10 centimeter. Obviously we have already discussed that u is always minus, it is already been mentioned that it is 10 centimeter. Focal length is been given 6 centimeter, and focus for convex mirror is what, it will be positive. So we got two values, so we can easily calculate the value of b. Now again, like the previous question, we have to put to get the position of the image and size of the image. Position of the image we already got, that is your v. Now size of the image, to find it out, that is hi, isn't it? We have to find out the value of hi, but we have only ho. So magnification also we do not know till now. So what we have to do, we have to take the other formula, that is minus v by u. So magnification we got it. Now magnification value got, again another formula we have to put, hi by ho equals to m. Now m value is been put, we had put here. Then just put the value of ho, which is 2 centimeter, multiply it, sorry, on that side, yeah, you have to multiply it, and you will get this particular value. Now let us finally, in these boxes we have written the answers. So size, nature, position. First of all, just see the size of the image is 0.75 centimeter, and the nature of the image is what, virtual and erect. Already you know, because of the diverging mirror it is virtual and erect. Now the position of the image is between the pole and the focus, 3.75 away from the pole. Children, for all this it is quite easy. You just don't be panic for all this, because why I am saying this, it is a convex mirror. If at all, if you are confused in this, you should not be, because all the 6 cases is quite fixed. In case of convex it is 2 cases. So there is a clear cut indication. If it is you are getting some sizes, it is not a point size, so it must be in between pole and focus. Either you write that way, or you can just write it is 3.75 centimeter. You have to write centimeter also here, centimeter behind the mirror. That's it. Okay, I hope it is quite clear. Now let us move on to the next question, that is question number 9. An object 2 centimeter in size is placed 30 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? What will be the nature and size of the image formed? Now here again, the size is what? The size of the object, that is the HO. Okay, it is HO. HO is 2 centimeter. U is been given. U is it is a concave mirror. Whatever it will be the minus always. So you have to write minus 30. Focal length is given 15 centimeter. Because of concave mirror, it will be minus. Now substituting this to particular value to the mirror formula, you will get V value, that is minus 30. It is just another practice like the previous question. It is quite easy and you can do it, I know. So again, we have to find out what at the size of the image. Because of to find out the size of the image, we have only the object size, nothing else, no magnification value. So we cannot just use the formula m equal to hi by ho. That formula we cannot use directly. So what do we do? M equal to minus v by u, this formula we can use. Just substitute the value, we will get minus 1. Okay, now after putting minus 1, just substitute the value of ho as well, you will get hi equal to minus 2 centimeter. Now what is the question? Distance of the image and also the nature and size of the image, that we have to write. Okay, so the screen should be placed at the center of curvature, that is 30 centimeter away from the pole, right? So here why it is at the center of curvature? From this entire solution, here you can see the high object size and the image size is similar, and it is minus, image is minus, that means it is a real and inverted one, right? Opposite side, it is must have the images must be formed below the principal axis, and that is the reason it is minus, because it is inverted. Clear? The screen should be placed at the center of curvature, that is 30 centimeter away from the pole. This is what the first part of the answer. Then the nature of the image is what? Real and inverted. This minus sign of hi indicating that, and the size is same as that of the object. The center of curvature, if it is forming at center of curvature, that means it is of the same size. Okay, it is a clear indication and very easy solution. So I hope it is also clear. Children, let us move to the last question of this video, which is quite easy. Just for relaxation, I have given this particular question to you. It should be the first question, but for relaxation, you have already done 9 questions. So just 10th one is very, very easy for you. The focal length. So the question, let us read first. The focal length of the convex mirror. So convex mirror means what? The focal length will be positive. So it is 15 centimeter already written, and radius of curvature. It's a direct formula. You can just write it down and you can mention that radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. Okay. I hope you are clear. With this, we come to the end of this particular video. For more question, you just see the next video, that is part 2 of this. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.